All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is part 3 of foldable number 2. And we're going to go ahead and start off again with this here. If you notice this time, this does not have a parentheses squared. It has the absolute value. But this is still the vertex form of this format because now we have an absolute value here. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. And our vertex is still going to be equal to our H and our K, and then our axis of symmetry is still going to be equal to our H, which is this here. Okay? And once again, so instead of the graph for this one, right, because it's not a parabola anymore, now it's an absolute value. So let's say this was here. The absolute value was there. The axis of symmetry is still going to be the point or the line that separates the two right in half and makes it symmetric between both sides. So if we were to fold this over like this, they would be equal on both sides. All right, so let's go ahead and get to it. So the first one, we got to look for our H. We have the function is equal to the absolute value of x minus 4. And then it's the absolute value. So we're going to go ahead and solve. So now we have our H is equal to, remember the absolute value, whatever's inside the absolute value that's next to the x is going to be a negative version of that. So we have our negative 4. Ooh, little shake. All right, and our our K is going to be equal, forgot to underline this one here, negative 4, is going to be equal to 0 because there's nothing that's on this side. So it's actually plus 0. Okay, we can go ahead and do our conclusion now. Therefore, comma, our vertex is this would be positive 4 and 0, and our axis of symmetry is our positive 4.